I thought today's workshops went well because everyone was prepared to step out of their comfort zone, give something a little bit different a crack. They were put on the spot. They had pretty tight time constraints, but they all stepped up to the challenge and did really well.
I got a lot of things out of today's workshop. I really liked how we did the innovations, how we worked with our group and how we got other people's feedback. And I learned how to put others' feedback into our work and make it even better.
I really enjoyed learning about how we can test our idea. Innovation's important to me because without innovation we don't get new things and our world doesn't move forward.
It was kind of cool to, see other finalists here, learning about what other people did to solve a problem. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah.
Innovation is really important in the future, coming up with new ideas for our planet, and it's going to be good to problem solve in future careers.
I probably enjoyed trying to figure out and problem solve my own ideas and come up with ways to fix them.
Yeah, today's youth absolutely give me hope for the future. You could see as soon as we got out of the way and give them a little bit of backing, and the confidence in their abilities really came to the forefront. And as soon as we do that, and the better we get at doing that, we're going to find more and more our rangatahi going to be confident leading the way forward.
Today's generation, a lot of them have got amazing skills and feel freer to be creative and challenge things.